Hey there, trucking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic for all truckers out there, knowing when it's time to rebuild your engine. So if you want to keep your rig running smoothly on those long hauls, stick around because we got some valuable information coming your way. Before we dive into the signs that indicate it's time for an engine rebuild, let's quickly understand what exactly a rebuild means. Rebuilding an engine involves disassembling and inspecting the major components such as the piston rings, bearings, gaskets, and cylinder heads. If these parts are worn or damaged, they are replaced to restore the engine's performance and efficiency. All right, let's get started with the signs that may indicate it's time for an engine rebuild. The first sign is decreased performance. If you notice a significant drop in your truck's performance, such as reduced power, acceleration, or towing capacity, it could be a sign of engine wear. Rebuilding the engine can help restore its original power and efficiency, giving you that extra oomph when you need it. The next sign is excessive oil consumption. Keep an eye on your oil consumption. If you find your truck is guzzling oil more than usual, it might be a red flag. Excessive oil consumption could indicate problems with the piston rings, valve seals, or other critical engine components. Rebuilding the engine can fix these issues and prevent further damage. The next sign is excessive smoke. If you notice thick smoke coming from your exhaust, it's essential not to ignore it. Different colors of smoke can indicate different issues. For example, blue smoke suggests burning oil, while black smoke might mean a fuel-related problem. A rebuild can help diagnose the root cause and resolve the issue. Lastly, consider the mileage on your truck. While it's challenging to pinpoint an exact mileage threshold for an engine rebuild, it's generally recommended to consider rebuilding around 750,000 miles. However, factors such as maintenance history, load weight, and driving conditions can influence this decision. Remember, routine maintenance such as regular oil changes, air filter replacement, and coolant flushes can significantly extend the lifespan of your engine. So make sure you're following manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. That's all for today, folks. We hope you found this information helpful in determining when it's time to rebuild your truck engine. Remember, keeping your engine in good shape is critical for the safety and efficiency of your journeys. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, happy trucking.